Hello friends, welcome to the unboxing video of Samsung Gear VR, which I got with Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge Gold Platinum color at just rupees 1990. So let me show you how you can order Galaxy VR at just rupees 1990. So first of all, open my Galaxy app. Here you can see this is my Galaxy app, and after you install my Galaxy app, you will get this coupon, get your Gear VR just for rupees 1990, and you will get this type of code, so you can buy it from this app. So let's unbox the Gear VR. This is the box of Galaxy S7 Edge at just rupees 51,990. So let's unbox it. This is the bill, you can see. The delivery is from Blue Dart in Delhi, which arrived within 20 days after I buy Gear VR. This is the this is the price I paid. So let's unbox it. Let's see how Gear VR actually looks. The packaging is quite nice. This is the package, very nicely packed by the courier. This is the Gear VR which I got with Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Here you can see this is well seal packed, and this is very new. Samsung Gear VR compatible with Note 5, S6 Edge Plus, S6, S7 Edge. So let's unbox it. So here you can see the new Galaxy VR which I got with S7 Edge. Let's have a first look on it. This is the Gear VR. This is the touchpad control, which you can use. This is the back button. This is the volume button. Here you can see volume rocker button to increase or decrease the volume. This is touchpad, 4 directional, and this is the back key. This is the dial with which you can adjust the focus, and this is the cover of lens in front. Here you can put the mobile, and let's first of all configure it with this pad. This you can see here and this is the other hook. So let's see how you can fit it. I think this is the lock. Here you need to insert. This is fitted right now. Yes, this is, and this one will be, this is Velcro style. Let's insert it here, and the other part here. Finally, this is the here I did it. So This is how Gear VR looks after arranging it. Now let's fit a 7 edge in it. Let's unbox it. So first of all unlock it. This you can see there's two mode, A and B. A is for smaller mobile and B is for larger mobile like Note 5 or Note 7. Unfortunately Note 7 is blasted, so B is just for Note 5. So let's insert S7 edge. Let's see where it will be inserted. Here. Here you can see the mobile is fitted, and after that it look like this. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe